What's up, guys? So welcome back. This week I'm gonna do a little comparison between the iPhone X. Been sporting this baby so far, loving it. I'm gonna do a comparison with this, the 4K camera feature at 60 frames per second, and I'm going to compare this with my Canon 1DX Mark II 4K at 60 frames per second. I know you guys think like, that's not even fair. That's not even a comparison. You're talking about a $6,000 camera and a $1,000 iPhone device. I know it sounds ridiculous. You know what? I'm gonna do it anyways. We're gonna do some clips and B-roll of the same shots and just do a comparison back and forth and see what they look like. I'm interested, I'm intrigued myself. Again, this is a ridiculous comparison, but I wanna do it anyways because I'm crazy like that. What? Why are you agreeing? 1DX Mark II versus the iPhone X. So anyways, let me know what you guys thought. Leave your comments below about the comparisons you see in the B-roll. But that's it for me, guys. Have a great week, my friends. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.